Hello, my name is Elsie Bones. This is just my introduction video. So to kind of start off, the first question's asking interesting things about us. Um, Honestly, there's not a whole lot. Um, I have been teaching for 3 years. This is actually the start of my third year. My first 2 years I was in second grade, and now I'm in fifth grade. I always kind of liked the intermediate side, but after doing second grade and then moving to fifth, I realized that I definitely have a passion for both. Um, my professional life, so obviously that's the past, those are the two grades that I've taught, and I've only taught 2 months of fifth grade. But I actually work at Lincoln Elementary School, which is in Ottawa, Kansas. So we are actually more of a 4A district. We're just 20 miles south of Lawrence. So we're kind of a rural town, but we're definitely developing. We have 3 elementary schools, 1 middle, and 1 high school. About my long-term and short-term professional goals. So to just kind of start professionally with short-term, I've only been teaching, like I said, this is the start of my third year, and so far it's going well. I don't necessarily have any professional goals other than to get through this year. We've had a lot of new curriculum thrown at us as well as assessments, so just taking it one day at a time. As for long term, obviously I hope to finish this program in March of 2020, so hopefully only one more class left after this, and then potentially pursue another degree. After it says finally consider what you hope to learn from this course and please share that with us. Being a curriculum director is actually something I thought about with this master's and what I could do with that after. So I'm really interested to learn more about the steps with curriculum, because obviously as teachers we don't have much of a say. So kind of understanding what steps and what data they take to kind of measure what curriculum would be best for that school and the students within that school. That concludes this video.